Hello, Hermosa Beach. I'm Paula Barron, the police chief for the Hermosa Beach Police Department. You're about to hear a message about e-bikes. And if you ride an e-bike, it's really important that you pay attention to this message. It could save your life or someone else's in the future.
Hi, I'm Mark from Hermosa Cyclery, here to talk to you about the safety concerns about riding e-bikes. Another very common concern about the bikes and riding e-bikes is the safety and the awareness of your tires being worn out. When the tire is worn out, it's not going to grip the ground as well as it could with a tire with a good knobby. It also will be more likely to get a flat tire if your tire is worn out because there's less material there, and whatever causes the flat, whether it be a piece of glass or a thorn, will go through a worn tire easier than a tire that's not worn. You always want to check your tires for wear, and if you notice any wear on your tires, you want to replace them with a new one.